The Samsonite Winfield 3 DLX spinner is one of Samsonite's most popular luggage collections. The medium checked bag measures 27 by 17.3 by 11.4 inches and weighs 9.4 pounds when empty. This hardside carry-on is made from durable 100% polycarbonate and has a textured finish that is scratch resistant. There's an integrated TSA combination lock on the exterior of the case that locks the main compartment. The Samsonite Winfield has a separate zipper to expand your case for up to 1.5 inches of extra packing room. The telescopic handle retracts inside the case, so it does take up a little of the packing space inside the main compartment. There are top and side handles on this case that retract when not in use to maintain a streamlined profile. There's no cushioning on the handles, so I wouldn't want to carry the suitcase for very long. The telescoping handle is adjustable to two heights using the button on the handle. We found the button wasn't that responsive and caused the handle to get stuck pulling it up and down. The four multi-directional spinner wheels are slightly recessed, providing a little protection for when the case is being handled in transit. They're quiet and smooth rolling. However, these single spinner wheels are not as balanced or responsive as double wheels. This case opens like a clamshell with two interior packing areas. Both sides of the case have open packing spaces with compression straps to hold your clothes in place. There's also a divider that can be attached to either side of the case interior. Within this divider, there are two enclosed zippered pockets and two mesh pockets for smaller items. The double zippers are smooth running and have easy grip zipper pulls. Overall, the Samsonite Winfield 3 DLX spinner is a good value option for lightweight hardside luggage if you can deal with the sticky telescopic handle and slower responsive spinner wheels. The Samsonite Winfield 3 DLX collection also includes a carry-on and large checked case, with all three bags available to purchase as a set.